Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami fighter plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well, like this. Now open the fold and press it from the other side and like that. Now fold one corner to one of the edge and then the second corner to the corresponding edge and press it well. Now fold it like this. And now finally the triangle. Now turn it and fold from the bottom towards the upper edge like it's in the middle. Now form a leaf type structure from one side and then the other. Now open the fold and press it well. Now form two triangles from both the sides and press it. Adding some more details. Now from the bottom, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Alright, like this. You have to repeat all the steps from the other side too and press them well. Alright, now fold it like this. To add some more details to the wings of the plane. Now form the shape of the plane like this. Now the shape formation and a tail, adding elegancy to the plane. It's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.